Hello everyone, welcome you all to PPT e-Pathshala. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today, let's learn the most demanded morph transition in world map in a super easy way. First, insert a map. You can find the link of this world map from the description box. Download the SVG format, then fill the countries with different colors that you want to mention in your presentation. After this, duplicate the slide. Press Ctrl+A to select all elements, and drag them out of the slide, except the one country that you want to keep on this slide. Now hold Shift plus Control key and increase the size of the map. And then insert the content. And now go to Transition tab and put the transition effect. Now again duplicate the slide. Move the current shape and drag the other shapes to the slide from the map. Insert the content. Now repeat the same procedure in the other slides, and make as much as slides you want in the same way. And here you go. Thank you everyone for watching it till the end. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.